My name is Jack Hanney, and welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. The two most accurate predictors of the stock market are flashing red. Many are saying that Trump is in its final stages. If you look at presidential terms in the midterm years, the other indicator is in the market right now, the percentage of retail investors in the market. Most accurate is been 5 times where the Shiller index was over 30, and each of those 5 times led to a drawdown from 20% to as much as 70%. There was only 2 times that the Shiller index was above 40. We are in one of those times right now. The previous 2 times, the drawdowns were significantly greater, 38% and 70%. Many are also anticipating end of the war in Iran. The reason for Iran not accepting a ceasefire is they would prefer the war end entirely. So if the war is to end entirely, we are going to see gold and silver prices spike. Right now, we see gold at $4,600 an ounce. Silver is at 72, about 10 or so percent below what the January high was for gold, maybe a little bit more, 15%. Silver was $120 an ounce back in January. Gold was $5,600 an ounce. Keep in mind, UBS, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs are all forecasting $6,300 an ounce gold in 2026. So this war in Iran is a buying opportunity for physical gold and silver right now, especially ahead of what many believe is going to be a significant drop in the stock market. Keep in mind, 4 weeks of the stock market, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P, losing pretty significantly. If you look at the Mag 7 stocks, they're down on average over 20%, about 19%, 20%, each of the Mag 7 stocks. The fact that we've seen the stock market move up the past few trading days because of ceasefire talks and the end of the war, many economists are saying do not count on a Trump bump if the war in Iran is to be resolved. Again, it's that Shiller index that this is the second priciest stock market in the history of the United States. This is a time to rotate out of the stock market and into physical gold and silver ahead of the war ending with Iran. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. You can visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-488-5190. Again, that's www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-488-5190. This is the single best buying opportunity we have seen of 2026. Again, reports are that silver could also be the trade of the second half of 2026. So if this war is to end, we are going to see a huge bid on physical gold and silver. This is your opportunity. Please give us a call. I look forward to speaking with you next week on an episode of The Insider.